Hey guys, what's up? This is Scarsdale Strikers, Dylan and Zach here.
Dylan and Zach.
We're gonna do a reball test here
with
the rotor, the halo, the velocity force, and a Tipman SL thing, piece of shit.
Yeah.
So here we go. This is the rotor.
These are my backup shit loaders.
Okay, so here we go.
Loader. Yeah. All right.
Already jammed.
Already jammed.
That's one jam. 2 jams.
All right.
So
that was two jams
in
140 reballs.
Yep.
Now the invert halo with a halo shell. Remember, this is 140 balls. Lift it up a little bit. Alright, so no jams there. If it stopped, it was probably because there was not enough room.
There was no shooting, so it won't automatically keep going. You have to hum into it. So now we're going to do the force.
View loader force. Oh.
One reball's gone. Right in there. No problems with it. It beats slow, but
still no jams.
No jams.
Alright, no jams with the view loader force. Not turning off. Alright, there we go. And now the Tipman SSL 60, 98, whatever. 98. Dude, that's like the gun. Okay, I'll cover it. You feed it.
This kind of leaks out of the bottom because of the
because it's a pretty low end hopper. I don't know if
okay, just
ready?
Put it over.
Okay.
So
here we go.
No problem.
Actually, not a bad loader. What?
Okay, so we'll just show you the rotor one more time for all of you who saw Mike Phillips' rotor doesn't jam.
Bull crap. One jam already. 2, 3, 4. That was 4 jams.
With reballs.
4 jams in 140 reballs.
Alright, we're going to do a shooting video soon, so comment, rate, sub. Thanks.
Thank you.